What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I know it's been a while, but welcome back to John Boy's Small Engine Repair. And as if you can see, some things look different. And we'll get into that. I just want to show you around the new location. We had to move. My family had to move. Well, we didn't have to. We chose to move to our own home that we're now buying. It took a few months. It took 3-4 months for the whole process to get completed. So that's why I haven't been making videos. I know I made a short like 4 months ago, but we're back. And my plan is I'm trying to get this place organized. As you can see, I've got a project going on now. Don't know how much I'll record of it. I got a Troy-Bilt pony sitting out there. I paid $50 for it a few months ago, and I just started messing with it. It came with this deck, but this deck had a lot of damage done to it. I tried to fix it the best I could right there. But the property that we're buying, it came with this. It's a carport turned into a shop, and this will accommodate me. This is a lot of my collection, my old John Deere. This little mower right here is going to be a down the road project. That's for my youngest son. That snapper right there, it's going to be a project. This button, I don't know. It's a button mower. Bunton mower. I don't know what year. I don't know the year. This one here, I think, is from the 70s. And this one here, I think, is from the 70s. I don't know. It does run. I have all the parts for it, so it's just a mess right now. As you can see, there's a mess. When I first started unloading stuff, we just put it in here. I have my own personal mower that needs to be fixed. It's got a stripped spark plug hole in the socket in the spark plug area, and the head is stripped. Don't know if I'm going to be able to fix it myself without taking it apart. Probably going to take it apart because I don't want nothing getting into the engine and ruining it. That mower was free, and so that's just giving you guys a rundown of what's going on. I know, like I said, it's been a while, but we'll get back to doing videos probably every Sunday. I'll post something. But this mower here will be featured. Don't know how in depth I'm going to go because I've already painted the deck. Because I'm trying to get some stuff ready to sell. I'm behind. It's 4 months I haven't done anything. I made one video and it's of my mower cutting grass, I think. But just give y'all a quick. This is something that was painted in that whoever owned it before. The person that we bought it from. The person was killed in a car accident over a year ago now, and so it was an estate sale, so we had to go through that whole process, and that's more of a process than just buying a home outright. Buying a home is not fun in the beginning, but down the road, I hope it'll pay off. It's our home. But just give you guys a quick glance again. And we'll walk out here to I got tires that I've kept that are in good shape. Just trying to organize the shop as best I can. It's going to need some repair. There's a couple holes in the floor. I've got this wheelbarrow here. There's a project coming down the line for that. I don't know when. But you can see I somewhat painted this. I did repair the deck myself right here. I don't know how to weld, so that's what I've seen people do, and it may not be what everybody does on YouTube, but I'm thinking about buying me if you guys could leave in the comments what's the best kind of welder for someone that doesn't know how to weld to start off with. MIG or TIG, I don't know which one, if that's the same thing or not, I don't know. But I'll step out here and show you guys just part of the property. I don't want. There's a big hole right here too, right there. I've got engines that got to be gone through. This engine, I don't know if it runs or not. It was given to me. This engine runs, and these I don't have no clue. This one here's got a stripped crank in it for the pulley to go on. Just kind of take it out here. That's the engine that blew up. That was on one of the mowers that we fixed on the channel before. Here's my one of my stores buildings. I have to go through that. Oh, there's my animals. You guys probably have heard some of them in previous videos. But a bunch of mowers here. I probably have to just junk or, take apart. I don't know. See, there's stuff everywhere. This here was a free mower. I took the engine off of it and put it on Craftsman mower. No, sorry, a Troy-Bilt Bronco that I already sold. It got a good transmission in it, so I'd probably keep it. But there's my ducks. But yeah, you can just see here's the property. This is the back house. This is the backyard. It's just about 1 acre long. This is a quick video, and then we'll get back into doing some stuff. Like I said, every Sunday I try to upload something. This mower here, I don't know. This mower I paid $50 for, I think. It runs. So yeah, I'll walk back into my shop here. My rooster, he wants to talk to me. But yeah, don't mind that mess. But I'm glad to be back. I know I haven't been as active I'd like to be, but things out of our control. We were out of place. We ran it for almost 7 years. And the grandson that stayed up front, I've known the people since I'm 15 and I'm 43 now, almost 44. And he was a thief. He stole a lot of my tools are gone. I have to go and buy more tools. It's just good. I'm glad we got out of that situation, because it was just too much on my kids and me. And I'd sooner pay money to buy a place than rent a place. Then I'm sure you guys, I don't know how many of you guys are new or remember that my dad passed away back in 2022. So we're coming up on 2 years of him being, since he passed away. So I kind of needed to take some personal time to kind of figure out things and what I wanted to do with the small engine repair stuff. I'm not the best one on YouTube. I'm not the best small engine guy, but I know how things work, and I've worked with stuff since I was a kid. I've worked on my own go-karts and stuff as a child or as a younger person, and so, but I'm glad everybody's stuck around. Like I said, we'll get back into it. We'll probably do a video on this mower. This is not done yet. I'm missing some parts I gotta find. The pulleys, there's some tensioner pulleys that gotta be put on here. These blades. And I just painted it. I didn't want to bore everybody with painting. I've seen there's millions of videos on YouTube on painting these things. But this thing was in bad shape. It was a lot of rust on it. I had to fix. That mower had a rusted spot on it on the footwell that I fixed myself. I gotta clean all this crap up. See? Yeah, see this? There was a rusted spot through it on there, so I had to clean that up too. But this is a good mower. Like I said, my personal mower I have to bring it in here or to the shop. I've got a tap and die set, all that stuff. This partial set. But I'm gonna have to go through and just accumulate more tools down the road. I can't do it all at one time. I now have a house payment to make, so that has to come first. But we'll get everything back in order. Not to put pegboard all along here. Actually, I honestly repaint the entire place. I've got storage in the other building that's going to go, storage shelf going to go right over here. We need a new air conditioner in here. Some of the lights do work, some don't work, but it came with the house, so I needed something bigger. I sent my other building back because I didn't want to bring it here. I already had these two this here to use. So, well, that's going to be it for this video. Don't want to drag it out too much longer. But I'll get back into a regular basis. I've already got some irons in the fire. As far as mowers I'm going to be getting this week. So don't know how much I'm going to show of those, but I've actually got one like this I have to go pick up. It's newer than this. It's got this has got a push mower engine on it. That's what it came with. It's a Kamsa, I think, like a 5 horse or 6 horsepower. Sorry. And there's one that's 2 years newer that's got an actual riding mower engine on it, and I want it for my son. So, well, I want to thank everybody for stopping by and watching this video. If you're new, be sure to subscribe. Leave a like. It helps the algorithm, helps my videos get out there and be reached by new viewers and by YouTube's algorithm. Comment. I try my best to answer everybody's comments. And like I said, I'll be back doing this more on a permanent basis. Thank y'all for watching and take care of yourselves.